Stay. That one. And that one. Stay. Free.
She missed it.
Mm-hmm. Here. There's another one. You just aren't paying attention on purpose. Good girl. You're free. Go free. Boop.
Okay, so I really want to turn these into bloomers. We're going on a picnic and I want to wear these underneath a dress, but my ass is too big. I have a humongous ass. These that I think would be really cute to add around. Longer, I can make it longer because I have the fabric. Like, I think that's really cute. So this will be nice and fun. So we'll have this be like a cooking vlog too, like because we're gonna cook for the picnic too. So that'll be fun. I'm always saying like this isn't a tutorial, this isn't a tutorial, and then I go into like way too much detail. So I'm gonna try not to. This is one of the, I'm gonna call them placemats. This is one of the placemats. Here's another one. And I cut them so that there's like a little bit of extra on both. And this is gonna be one back of the leg, that's gonna be another back of the leg. So I believe I'm gonna need 2 more placemats, which is fine, I have them. There is extra material, and we'll use that for a different craft in the future, but I don't think you have these placemats. I don't, whatever, but like, I just hope that, sorry, I should share. I just hope it like serves as like some kind of inspiration. I'm going to use a zigzag stitch for this, and I am going to put these together, like these 2 together first, and then put them on the pants because I think that'll be easier. So let's get into it. We're going to turn the machine on. We'll move you so that you can actually see the machine. And a zigzag stitch is good because it allows stretch. And I'm gonna do this first because if I do the actual underwear first, I have to stretch it and I don't wanna have to like deal with that right now. So we're just gonna do a zigzag. And I'm gonna sew a little. I'm gonna back stitch a little. Do a little back stitch. Make sure that needle is up. Take it out. Use this little side thing to cut it. And that's our first one. I decided to add a 3rd layer to hide that zigzag stitch. So yeah, each one, so I have 4 panels right now. Each one has 3 layers on it. I feel like I need to like do a cleaner cut here. I'm going as close as possible to that zigzag stitch that stitches all 3 layers together. If my ass wasn't so big, I could just have like one long one across, but I guess it's a big ace. I had never sewn anything like this before, so I wasn't 100% how to do it, so it took me a while to figure it out. But what I did was I kept it the right way, so like the right side facing, not inside out, and I just stretched the leg as much as I could, or as much as I knew I needed to, because I knew one of these placemats fit the back of my leg. One of them fit the front of my leg, and then vice versa on the other side. One fit the back, one fit the front. And so I knew that I had to stretch the underwear, I should say, and pin it stretched. And that's what I did. And then I did a zigzag stitch to stitch it to the stretching material. Okay, so maybe we'll just keep this right in the crotch, in the crickety crotch, right? And then as we go, we'll pull it. I think that's what I'm supposed to do. Yes, so when you put it in the machine and you're using something that stretches, you want to pull it as you're sewing. So even while you're doing the back stitch, while you're doing everything, you want to make sure that you have like it taut, I guess the word is, but you want to pull it so that it sews the right way. You want it to be stretched out. That's the whole point. I'm going to cut out a lot of this because it's pretty repetitive and we're doing the same thing. And plus I have another pair of bloomers I want to show you guys, and we just have a lot of cooking to do in this video. And for the sake of it not being another hour-long vlog, I'm going to shorten it for you guys. This is what they're looking like. Can you see this? They're so cute. Oh my gosh, they're so cute. It looks like it's like so dark out right now that it looks like I'm doing this by like candlelight, which is like perfect for these. Oh my goodness. So now I'm putting on the front panels and I'm overlapping that lace that I haven't sewn down yet. And I wanted to do the back first so that the front covered the back lace, if that makes any sense. And again, we're stretching as we sew. So we're pulling the material as we sew. These took me about an hour to make, and they give me very much Little Bo Peep vibes, but when I put them under a dress, my husband says that they're very Betty Boop, which I love. Can't wait to show you them underneath my dress. Like, I'm really excited for that. Okay, but let's cook some food. Okay, we're gonna do these bloomers next. They're just like little, they're the same exact things as the white ones. But what I wanna do is, so this I got on Poshmark. I used it as my Ahsoka Tano costume. I have a video coming out on that in October. But I wanna cut this off because I feel like this is so much more usable anyway without this on. And I wanna use this as the bottoms for the bloomers. And then I also wanna use this ribbon to kind of do the edging on it. I think I'm going to use the ribbon. So let's just start by cutting this off. Might not have to do the ribbon. I could save the ribbon because this somewhere over here has like that edging. So I feel like I can just keep that. All right, so that's one side because I cut this in half for the Ahsoka Tano thing. And then we'll cut off the other side. It doesn't have to be perfect. We could always like revisit this in the future, and like if we want to wear this, we can like make it better, you know? I've just cut the ass of it, so probably not going to use it as is. Fine. Okay, so I just finished them. The fabric that I was using wasn't great and I had a little bit of tulle. I want to use the tulle for a different project and I had a little bit that I could spare, so I put some tulle on here to make it more puffy. Hello, it is the day of the picnic and it is raining outside, so I had to do an outfit change. I want to fix my hair because it's not looking right. I'll show you my outfit. I'll also show you the other outfit like tomorrow. I just don't have time today to like put it on, show you, and then put on like my real outfit and then get ready. But it is a picnic, so we're wearing like minimal makeup. I have to really do my hair. It looks wild. This is it. Super casual. It's raining. I can wear it the way I'm wearing it right now. I can wear it like this, or I can also wear it like this. And so I think it's perfect for right now. Okay, I want to switch out my clips because it is the time of filming this. It's June, it's Pride Month, so we gotta support our gays and theys. Like, that's not good enough, but it's gonna be fine for now. Like, how much do I want to do right now? All my stuff is right here. I can just like do it and not think too much about it. All right, let's just try to be quick. We're gonna use our usual. I already have sunblock on my face because I wasn't sure if I was going to do any makeup at all, but even on overcast days, the sun is shining. I also have Skin So Soft all over my body because it's a picnic, and so we can expect bugs, and Skin So Soft is like really good, like not sponsored at all. I've had my bottle for like years. I only wear it when I know I'm gonna like be outside in a buggy area. So today's perfect for that. This one, I'm trying to be so quick. Just gonna use my finger. I wasn't gonna, like last year I didn't wear any makeup because I was wearing sunglasses the whole day. I'm not sure if I'm gonna be wearing sunglasses, you know? Don't forget, I had just listed, I mean, these aren't the containers they're gonna come in, but I had just listed my setting powders that I need. So if you're interested, you can get them for like as little as $1. And I also have a coupon code for free shipping. So you literally get it for $1, but they're like, you know, very small, like sample sizes, or you can, you know, buy the big size. This is 4 ounces. They come in 2 ounces. And they have 3 different shades, but they're completely translucent. So, like, it doesn't leave a cast on your face. I think I just used medium. I don't even know which one I just used. Yeah, I just used medium. I usually use light, but today I use medium. Okay, I like to bronze the shit out of my face. My usual Kathleen lights. I feel like my nose might be running a little bit, but it's okay. Oh, my mirror. I'm like, why am I having such a hard time seeing what I'm doing? I forgot I have a mirror here. Take a little bit of this with a little bit of black, and I'm just going to smudge out that line because I feel like my eyeliner just doesn't look good today. All right, let me just smudge out any of my smudged mascara. All right, I think I'm good. I'm still gonna wear sunglasses But I think I'm good. My hair, not so much. Let's try to fix this hair a little better. Like I like it when it's like big and poofy. Cute like this. Cute tied around the waist. And we're good. All right, I'll see you guys later. Bye. Hey guys. So yesterday was the picnic and we had so much fun and my husband cooked, I think it's pronounced torta, but my aunt's been saying, what did I say she was saying? Tutti? Tuta. But I think it's torta. But anyway, it's a picnic and they have like a bunch of food. It's like an annual thing that my family does and participates in from, well, I'm the only one in the immediate, me and Joey are the only ones in the immediate family who still actually participate, but it's part of the club that I had talked about in another one of the videos, the scholarship thing. And this is just like another way of them like raising money, but everybody comes together and it's really cool. And it's just really nice to like see extended family and learn about like, you know, my heritage and stuff. But anyway, so they had food there, but because we are vegan and gluten free, we decided to make a lot of our own food. But the torta or the tuta is just a meal that like everybody makes and brings their own, and then they do like a contest on like who's the best. And we won in the category for vegan and gluten free because we were the only one, and also there wasn't really a competition. Nobody really won anything, but so the woman of the club created a cookbook of all like family recipes, and we have one of the cookbooks. And that's kind of where we got the recipe from. So we just thought that was kind of cool. And anyway, it was a great day and the rain really held up. Babe, did it even rain yesterday while we were there?
What was that?
Did it even rain yesterday?
It did. Like on and off, we were under that awning.
Yeah, we were under like a pavilion, but we got to play softball and it was just really fun. But I wanted to show you guys the outfit that I had made for this event that I wound up not wearing. And it's so funny. My cousin wound up showing up and he was like, it's so weird. This is like the first year that we're here and it's like not summertime. It's always the same time of year every year. But the weather's been so cold lately that like everybody was just like in like the most chill outfits you've ever seen in your life. Like our outfits yesterday were like right on par with like how everybody I think felt that day, which is so funny because like my husband and I usually get really dressed up. You didn't get to see my husband's outfit. If I get any pictures, I will definitely put them in here. But he looked like a snack and a half, I have to tell you. But anyway, but I'm gonna put on the dress that I was going to wear that I wound up not wearing because it was just way too cold out. So let me do that now. Okay, so this is the dress I was going to wear. It's vintage. And then these are the bloomers that I made. You can see them, but I think it's like cute though. Like I feel like this is the kind of dress that you would have bloomers that you see. So anyway. That's it. That's the video. I love you guys. I'll see you later. Bye.
That was a quick video.
Oh no, it's like it's a whole vlog of me making the bloomers. It's so cool.
You're so good at that.
Thank you. You wish I could have worn it yesterday?
I just wish you were happy in whatever you wore. I think you looked great yesterday.
Babe, how about the butt?
Look great with your bloomies out.